Hey, I'm Abby, and welcome back to the Life Work Balance YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you a quick resume tip. Hopefully, this mindset shift that I will share with you today will help you be more strategic and intentional about how you present yourself on your resume when you are applying to new jobs. I am a career and interview coach, and I'm here to help people just like you feel more confident and strategically prepared for their upcoming job search and interviews. If you're looking forward to learning a little bit more about this resume tip, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so that you can continue to receive life work balance advice delivered directly to you every week. I've noticed a theme over the last couple of months while I've been conducting live streams with Bill, the company's expert, as well as meeting with individual clients and discussing resumes. This common theme is the fact that people are presenting their resumes in a way that they want to present their resumes, which makes a lot of sense, right? You are developing a document to showcase you. So why wouldn't it be about the things that you find most important to share during the job search? Well, unfortunately, this mindset is all wrong. Hiring managers, recruiters, interviewers, employers, whatever it is that you call them, don't care about what you care about. They care about what they care about. So the goal when it comes to designing and developing your resume is to put yourself in the shoes of the person who's going to be reading that document. What do they care about? Why do they care about this? And how can you present yourself in the most effective way to catch their attention? There was a research study conducted on people looking at resumes, and it tracked their eye movement. And it found that when someone, a human, looks at your resume for the very first time, they spend about 6 seconds on it. They spend 6 seconds quickly scanning over your document, looking for the things that matter most to them before determining if you are the person who they want to talk to more or get to know more or reject. If you have put your resume together in a way that showcases you in the way that you want to be showcased, it is likely that that design will cause your resume to end up in the reject pile faster than it will end up in the get to know more pile. You must format your resume and design it in a way that is eye-catching and intriguing to the reader, not to you. This is why tailoring your resume is so critical. You need to tailor it to the job posting and to the employer that you are applying to. This doesn't mean that you have to create an entirely new document every single time you apply, but it does mean that you will have to make slight tweaks for every single application. Now, I have found that the easiest way to make these constant tweaks is using generative AI platforms like ChatGPT or Grok. This doesn't mean that you solely rely on what those platforms generate for you. These platforms will hallucinate. They will create false information. They will expand and maybe even exaggerate your experience. You don't want to use what the generative AI platform generates for you as the final draft. You use this as a starting place. So how do you go about doing this? Well, first, you open up whatever platform it is that you choose to use, and you describe what it is that you are doing. So your prompt will sound and look something like this. I am applying to the job posting pasted below. I've included my experience from my resume below as well. Please generate at least 5 tailored bullet points for each of my experiences to the job I am applying to, emphasizing my transferable skills and any quantitative metrics that may matter to the hiring manager or recruiter. And then you include a copy of the job posting as well as a copy of your experience from your most recent resume. See what this platform generates for you, and then make some edits so it not only sounds like it's you, but it also is accurate to your experience. While you might be very proud of an award that you received in your last job, the hiring manager or the recruiter may not care at all. So it is really critical that you only include the information that is relevant to the person who will be reviewing your application. Don't let your ego get in the way. Your ego is your worst enemy in this situation. So while you might be really proud of something, it might not matter to the reader at all. And if it doesn't matter to them, they're going to skip over it, or they will waste their time reading that information and miss out on the other more important information that will help them decide that you are the best fit for this position, or that they just want to get to know you better and invite you for an interview. So if you are applying to jobs and you are updating your resume for each job that you're applying to, ensure that you're updating it in a way that matters to the reader. Do your best to put yourself in their shoes, to understand what they're looking for and why, and present yourself in that way. You're not falsifying information. You are not pretending to be someone you're not. You're just presenting yourself in a way that resonates with the reader and causes them to say, hey, I want to know more about this person. I want to call them or invite them in for an interview because I think they could be a great addition to our team. If this is an area that you are looking for more support in, and you're not quite sure how to go about this for a particular position or positions, please reach out to me today. I offer one-on-one individual career coaching, as well as individual sessions where I help go through your materials and provide you with feedback and ideas on how you could tailor your documents to best fit a position that you are wanting to apply to. My slots are limited and they fill up quickly, so please contact me as soon as you know that this is something you're interested in. I've linked to my website as well as my email in the description box below, and I would love to work with you. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any additional questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please throw them in the comments box below. I love receiving comments, and I do my best to respond to each of them individually. And just know that if I'm not able to get back to you quickly, the comments that you share in the comments below will likely help someone who's going through something similar in the future. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell so that you can continue to receive life, work, balance advice delivered directly to you every week. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.